Hello, this is checkpoint 4.32. They want us to find the gradient of this three-dimensional function f of x, y, z is equal to x squared minus 3y squared plus z squared divided by 2x plus y minus 4z. So the gradient is simply a vector made up of the components where each component is going to be a derivative. So we're going to need to find some derivatives. Let's start with fx, and this is a quotient. Let's call it a big quotient. Low d high, so the low is 2x plus y minus 4. The derivative of the numerator with respect to x is 2x. So low d high minus high, which is x squared plus 3y squared plus z squared, and d low, the derivative of the denominator with respect to x is 2, divided by 2x plus y minus 4z squared. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Go on to the next one. F sub y, again, a quotient, probably just as big as the one we just did, and it's going to be low d high again, 2x plus y minus 4. This is for z, I think. Sorry. It should be a z. Let's put a z up there. Okay, so 2x plus y plus 4z, and then we're taking the derivative with respect to y. So with respect to y, the numerator is going to be negative 6y, minus the numerator, x squared plus 3y squared plus z squared, times the derivative of the denominator with respect to y, all over the denominator squared. Okay, that is our second component, and our third component, f sub z, again, a quotient. Again, we'll take the low, 2x plus y minus 4z. We'll take the derivative of the numerator with respect to z. We get a 2z minus high x squared plus 3y squared plus z squared d low. The derivative of the denominator with respect to z is negative 4, all over 2x plus y minus 4z, the whole thing quantity squared. Okay, this is it, and you string it together into a vector. So the gradient is simply going to be, well, instead of rewriting everything over again, I'm just going to write fx to say that this is the first term, comma fy to say this is our second term, and then fz to say this is our last term, and just making sure that you put it in vector form. And that's it. We are all set. Okay, I hope that helps.